just waiting for the accused persons.
No communication from...
They are here.
Oh, they're correct.
Yes, they are here. Apparently there was just a problem with the waiting for the escort.
If I may take this opportunity to congratulate my learned colleague, Dr. Sibanda.
Dr. Sibanda.
Yes, for having been conferred with an LLD, my lord.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
That's greatness, my lord.
Yeah, we mentioned it on Friday, but that's what we
No, I wanted to do in his presence, my lord.
You wanted to?
To congratulate him in his presence.
Oh, I see. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, quite so. No, it's quite an achievement. And it is so because I belong to the old school. Doctorates are just flying around in South Africa. You sing a song, galagata, 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 you get a doctorate. So once you see a person like our colleague here actually earning the doctorate, and all the luck and the congratulations are on your way. Because when we grew up, an honorary doctorate, you were never addressed with an honorary doctorate. You say you're a doctor. And what reminds me is of a former lecturer of ours at Forte, Professor Siboni. I don't know if you know Professor Siboni. He's a famous writer. And he was at Forte when we went there, 1969 or 8, whatever.
The M.O.M. Siboni.
M.O.M. Siboni, yeah. He had 2 doctorates. He had a PhD and a DED. And he had 2 professorships. So when the other guys were saying, I've got a master's and a doctorate, Siboni would insist that he must be addressed as Doctor, Professor Siboni. Differentiate from the other fellows. That's brilliant.
I was saying to him, I'm not sure now advocate doctor or sister advocate as well.
Oh, yeah. Advocate because he's making it what it is. Silk. I know my colleague, Dr. Willie Siriti. He used to have his citation on his desk once he bought the doctorate. This side used to say Dr. Siriti, and this side Judge Siriti. So you have to choose how you address it. No, that's brilliant. Are you starting with those photos?
Yes, my lord. But before we start with the photos, on the subject of the conferment of a Doctor of Laws degree on Dr. Sibanda, there's just a clip we want to play.
I can't hear you.
I'm saying on the subject of a conferment of a Doctor of Laws
Yes.
on Dr. Sibanda, there's just a small clip that you want to play if it carries the permission of everyone.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. Who was doing the conferment?
you.
That's-
Thank you. As a
Sorry, who was doing the conferment? Mr. Sibanda.
The Vice Chancellor and Principal of UNISA Professor Nkabuli,
What's his name?
Uling Nkabula.
Pauline?
Nkabula. Uling Nkabula.
Right. I see they've deviated from the usual practice. Once you were awarded or conferred a doctorate, you had to prepare a talk. You didn't do that.
No, no.
They just plunk it on your head and you go.
They only read the citation of the doctorate.
Yeah, you're fine.
Of the conferment. There's no.
Okay. Maybe it's part of Africanization, as they call it. But normally with a doctorate, anywhere, Oxford, Cambridge, the Ivy League top 5 universities, once you confer a person with a doctorate, he prepares what you call a citation around that 5, 10, 15 minutes. Okay. And again, congratulations.
Yes. Now, my lord, I have the unenviable task of leading a doctor.
Okay.
My lord, just a few preliminary issues. The first one, a reminder that we are sitting till Thursday this week, as Brigadier Gininda will be having exam leave on Friday, as he's sitting for exams on Saturday.
Oh, so the arrangement is what?
So the arrangement is that we will be sitting until Thursday, and the date for Thursday, it's the 24th.
24th.
Yes, so we're sitting until the 24th. So we're not sitting on Friday, the 25th.
We're not sitting on the 25th.
Yes.
Okay.
Then the second aspect, there was a request which has been placed on record by Mr. Ngomezulu that the ID document of his client, accused number 1, be returned to him. We have since returned the original document to accused number 1,
Okay.
Mr. Sibia. We did that on Friday. I'm sorry, madam. I'm told that Mr. Ngomezulu is uncomfortable.
With what?
He's not feeling well. He's indisposed, my lord. Can we just adjourn for some few minutes? I think he's having difficulty.
So we adjourn for how long?
Just maybe the court can just wait outside in the corridor, just some few minutes.
Okay.